So here we are with the LCL Communicators NI440DX, and it's the one with the yellow meter. To turn it off, it's the yellow meter. If you saw the repair video, we started by working on one with a clear meter, which I bought off eBay, and then I found I was front panel hardware missing, so we're going to have to talk to another dealer and get some scrap bits and pieces to make up the missing hardware. It's frustrating when they're not complete. We're working on the external speaker, but the internal speaker isn't working on this at the moment, so need to get a new speaker from somewhere. Probably have to import one, so we'll see. They're square on these. Let's go see Mr. Chippie. He's on Mega Chippie channel. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, you're working with a beep.
I am ready. My extension speaker is already in because the internal speaker doesn't work on this set at the moment.
Yeah, roger that, off we go then.
Roger Dodger.
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and I've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up towards
Bassy.
the end of the line, past Woody's lay-by
Less bassy.
on the left and the greenfield on the right.
Roger Dodger. So that's that done.
Roger D.
And there's still a little bit of light.
There's a lot of light, it's not that dark yet.
Excellent.
Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Is that Roger Blink permanently on that?
Negative, I can switch it off like that.
Right. Just try to think what set it will be. But if you turn it off, it's not a Mustang, I think.
Yes, that's right. You are, one of the other dealers sent me a photo, Transcom GBX 4000, which is the same as the Mustang 2000. And the serial number on it was 000021, just like me.
Very good. Right, we're passing Ancaster service station. It is open. 142.9, 153.9.
It's incredible.
Right, we're almost square wheeled, but lights are green. We'll be going shortly.
Roger Dodger.
Are you on high power on that?
I certainly am, and you know what, you said this the other day, didn't you, at that point? I think we've got leaves coming back on trees and inspecting it.
We'll see. Seems noisier than normal.
Yeah, Roger, we're certainly doing full one.
Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
Oh, well, this cash guy is still there, left over from yesterday when we were filming the previous video.
No, it's gone, and given the noise on your signal, you'll be gone shortly.
Oh dear.
Yeah, it's definitely an issue. 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear, going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a LCL Communicators NI440DX, standard replacement line, and ready to doing a full 41,000 over.
Yep, roger that. You're still noisier than normal. I reckon I'll lose you Kelby turn probably.
Then we'll carry on.
Roger.
That may need to go on the Spctrum Analyser, may not be doing for what's going on in the sound.
Yeah, I'd say it definitely isn't.
That's why we do these tests.
Roger deep. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over. Yeah, you're just coming through the squelch, but not really legible.
So at that point we curtailed the test because the radio wasn't doing as it should have been. So it may have been doing 4 watts output, it clearly wasn't all on 27 megs. Now we don't have every set we do on a Spectrum Analyser, it takes time and therefore costs. So this time we returned to base and output is on the Spectrum Analyser. We've now tuned the radio to 3.5 watts, but I've no doubt that it's all where it should be. Or not, we'll find out.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, this is take 2, and you're going around Scratchy Corner loud and clear.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, this is take 2, and you're going around Scratchy Corner loud and clear. So
on this LCL Communicators NI440DX, it's now been on the Spectrum Analyser, it's been retuned, and it's now doing 3.5 watts output. And I'm on a standard replacement mic. Over.
Yep, roger that. That was all received nicely.
Roger on that.
Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger that. It's not you keying up in the background, is it?
Negative, no it isn't.
Roger.
In fact, it sounded like it was coming in on skip that.
Alright, fair enough. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point on this LCL Communicator NI440DX, doing 3.5 watts, which is what they usually do, and that's on our test set. So he's drawing 1.2 amps to do that, and I'm on the standard replacement mic. Pop it onto low power, which is 400 milliwatts, and here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's on low power. We're now drawing 500 milliamps to produce 400 milliwatts. That's the full power, and there we are back on full power. Over.
Yep, all received on both, no problems.
Excellent.
Right, off we go.
Off you go.
Right, we're on the move again.
Yeah, Roger, Dodger, got you on the move.
Chippie, we're now going over Rawsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Today, please, over.
Yeah, 144.9 and 153.9.
Excellent, that's absolutely fine, thank you. And don't forget to post the parcel and 10 them.
Yep, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rawsby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end today, please, over?
144.9 and 153.9.
Excellent, that's absolutely fine, thank you. And don't forget to post the parcel and 1010.
Yep, roger that.
Right, well that worked fine second time round, and that just goes to show how, obviously we're not going to put every radio on the Spctrum Analyser because it'd be a different fee, but we do these tests, and probably 1% this happens to, you know, so we just have to bring them back on the bench and put them on the Spctrum Analyser and just go through that. But this is part of the 400 milliwatt test. You just know that all the power amplifier adjustments are spot on if we can get through on 400 milliwatts. Now we can't always get through on 400 milliwatts because the leaves come onto the trees, so we can't always do that, but we know how it should be. And Mr. Chippie straight away recognised that this radio wasn't working as it should have been, and second time round it's spot on. So we deliberately didn't just redo the test, and that's why we've combined both the videos to show what can happen in reality. We're going to go over to the base station, see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic, but the speech processing on these is usually excellent. What else have we got? Well, I'll tell you over the radio.
Tango 21 testing the LCL Communicator NI440DX with our standard replacement mic, doing just over 3.5 watts, and it's into our Midlands M6900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll pop it on low power as a hum test. And there we are on low power at 400 milliwatts.
and then back to full power. So we've got some repairs from mystery manufacturer Allen, who actually repairs Midland 1165, I think it's another baby Midland, and we've got a preamp interface which we need to get on with, and we've got that CB1100 Mega Tracker set. Mr. Chippie's put our one back to standard. I don't think we showed you our one because we were concentrating on the customer's one. If we can get ours to work, then we can transfer the voltage we find on ours onto the in fault finding the customer step we now receive. So we're going to kind of do a part 2A, which is trying to sort ours out. But you see, we found some information, and that's what the video will be about. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that, and catch you on the next video.